ഹലോ വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. ഈ അടുത്ത ന്യൂസ് പേപ്പറിൽ വന്നിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് ചോദ്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ തപ്പിയെടുത്തിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു വീഡിയോ ആണത്. ആ ചോദ്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ നമുക്കൊന്ന് പരിചയപ്പെടാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, which has been identified as the flagship species for conservation in the Madikettan Shole National Park? Answer, galaxy frog. Next question, which are the two tourism circuits proposed in Kerala budget? Malabar Literacy Circuit and Biodiversity Circuit. Name India's first electric vehicle city. Kevadia. Name the nuclear fusion reactor of China known as Artificial Sun that achieved a peak temperature of 288 million degrees Fahrenheit, which is over 10 times hotter than the Sun. Experimental Advanced Superconducting Tokamak East. Which is the rank of India in the 17 Sustainable Development Goals adopted as a part of 2030 agenda by 193 United Nations member state in 2015. 117. The proposed International Mangrove Research Center is going to be set up at Puduvaip. Name the country in which the world's first human infection of the H10N3 bird flu strain was reported. China. Which country had recently pulled out from the 17+1 initiative led by China? Lithuania. Which is the second Chinese vaccine to receive the WHO's green light? Sinovac. Which had become the first standards body to join One Nation, One Standard? Research, Design and Standards Organization. Name the youngest member in the Constituent Assembly of India who died recently. T.M. Kalyanan Counter. Which state had recently launched Knowledge Economy Mission to boost job prospects in the state by supporting knowledge worker? Kerala. Who had become the first sitting American head of state to officially reorganize the Tulsa Race Massacre of 1921? Joe Biden. Name the suborbital launch vehicle developed by Space Flight Services company Blue Origin owned by Jeff Bezos. New Shepard. Which organization has joined with the Indian Postal Department to help people perform post-death rituals in Varanasi, Haridwar and Gaya? Om Divya Darshan.
Who won the Pen Painter Prize in 2021? Didi Dangaramga.
Who was appointed as the project director of the vaccine manufacturing unit at Life Science Park, Thiruvananthapuram? Dr. S. Chitra. Which is the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender? El Salvador. According to report of Economic Intelligence Unit, which is the world's most livable city in 2021? Auckland, New Zealand. Which city will host the 2023 Olympic Games? Brisbane. Who is the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of 15th Kerala Legislative Assembly? Sunny Joseph. Who are the winners of the 17th P. Keshadev Awards 2021? Thomas Jacob and Dr. Shashank R. Joshi. Who was appointed as America's first Muslim federal judge? Zahid Qureshi. Name the journalist who has won the 2021 Pulitzer Prize in the International Reporting category for her series exposing China's Uyghur Muslims detention camp. Megha Rajagopal.
Which upcoming Greenfield International Airport will be named after Shiv Sena founder Bal Thackeray? Answer: Navi Mumbai International Airport. Which Indian state is going to appoint women and trained non-Brahmin as temple priests? Answer: Tamil Nadu. Name the first book village of Kerala. Perungulam. Name the scheme launched by Kerala state government to revamp existing Anganwadis to make them children friendly and bring them on par with the smart Anganwadis. Chayam. G7 advanced economies signed a landmark deal on taxing multinational companies. As per the deal, what would be the maximum global tax rate? 15%. Which state is going to create 80 acres of Oxy-1, a forest? Answer: Haryana. India's first international maritime services cluster is going to be set up at Gift City. Which tribes in Assam has recently demanded an autonomous district council amid a decision to upgrade the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council into a territorial council? Rengma Nagas. What is the name given to plant species belonging to coffee family recently spotted in Vagamon Hills in Kerala? Ergostemma corentina. Name the cricket coaching website launched by Virender Sehwag. Krikuru. Which state has proposed amendments to introduce provision for the protection of heritage trees? Maharashtra. Which is the world's first mass-free country in Corona period? Israel. Who was the first woman to perform at Navaratri Mandapam as a part of Navaratri celebration of Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple in Thiruvananthapuram? Parashala B. Ponnammal. Which institution has bagged the first place in survey conducted by KSIDC to identify the state government institutions that have adopted ease of doing business norms? KSEB. Which is the only state in India have all the three species of reptile: freshwater gharial, muggers and saltwater crocodile? Answer: Odisha. Name the Indian swimmer who set a new national record 20-meter butterfly race to win the gold medal on Belgrade Trophy 2021 in Serbia. Sajan Prakash. Under which international center for polar studies was launched? Mahatma Gandhi University. Kerala's first de-addiction center for women is launched at Kochi.
Who is the captain of New Zealand cricket team that had won the first World Test Championship? Kane Williamson. Who is known as Kerala's first professional press photographer? Sivan.
Who was the creator of McAfee antivirus software found dead in a prison cell in Barcelona? Answer: John McAfee. Which Gulf state has inaugurated one of the largest vaccination centers in the world? Answer: Qatar. Name the COVID vaccine indigenously developed by UAE. Hayatvax. Which airport has won Airport Council Director General's Role of Excellence honor in airport service quality? CR, Cochin International Airport Limited. Name the scheme launched by Cooperative Department of Kerala for providing loan to purchase a mobile phone for study purpose. Vidhya Tharangini. Name the scheme launched by Department of Women and Child Development with cooperation of the Postal Department to protect women from domestic violence. Raksha Dood. Name India's first indigenous aircraft carrier. An INS Vikrant. Which is the newly found fossil from China that is closely related to modern humans than Neanderthals? Dragon Man. Name the first indigenously developed corona vaccine of Iran. Iran. Which is the national mission launched Ministry of Tribal Affairs and NCERT for the capacity building program for Ekalavya Model Residential School teachers and principals? NISHTHA. Which weightlifter will be the first trans athlete to compete at Olympics? Laurel Habbard. What is India's official Olympic theme song? Lakshya Tera Samne. Which Indian pioneer industrialist has topped the inaugural EdelGive Hurun Philanthropists of Century list? Jamsetji, Nusserwanji, Tata.
Name the autobiography of actor Will Smith. Answer Will. അപ്പോൾ വീഡിയോ കണ്ടതിന് എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി. ഇനിയും ആരെങ്കിലും ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ് ദ വീഡിയോ. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളവർക്ക് വീഡിയോസ് അപ്പം തന്നെ കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ആ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ കൂടെ ഒന്ന്